Welcome to the world of smart technology, where we need the best two cameras in our everyday lives for indoor home security purposes. In 2025, indoor home security cameras will become smarter, more intuitive, and better equipped to keep your home safe and connected. Whether you are looking to monitor your living space while away, check in on pets, or ensure the safety of your loved ones, the latest advancements in technology have made these devices an essential addition to modern homes. Today, we will explore two of the best indoor home security cameras that stand out this year for their impressive features, seamless integration, and excellent value for money. From crystal clear video quality to advanced AI-powered detection, these cameras redefine what home security can do. Let us dive in. TP-Link Tapo 1080p Indoor Security Camera. Tapo C100 indoor security cameras have become essential for ensuring the safety and monitoring of our homes, children, and pets. The TP-Link Tapo 1080p Indoor Security Camera, Tapo C100, stands out as an affordable yet feature-rich option in this competitive market. Whether you are using it as a baby monitor, a dog camera, or a general home surveillance device, the Tapo C100 delivers excellent performance with advanced features like motion detection, two-way audio, and night vision. Here is a closer look at what this camera offers and why it is a worthy contender in 2025. Key features: 1. 1080p Full HD video quality. The Tapo C100 provides crystal clear 1080p HD video, ensuring every detail in your home is visible. Whether it's day or night, this camera delivers reliable and sharp visuals, helping you monitor your space effectively. 2. Motion detection and alerts. The Tapo C100 comes equipped with a highly sensitive motion detection system. When movement is detected, the camera sends instant notifications to your smartphone via the Tapo app. This feature is customizable, allowing you to set activity zones to minimize false alerts caused by pets or other non-critical movements. 3. Two-way audio with built-in siren. The two-way audio feature allows you to communicate in real time through the camera. This is especially useful for soothing your baby, interacting with your pets, or even deterring intruders. The built-in siren can also be activated remotely to enhance security and warn off potential threats. 4. Night vision. The Tapo C100 is equipped with infrared night vision that provides visibility up to 30 feet in complete darkness. This ensures 24/7 monitoring, even in low light or no light conditions. 5. Flexible storage options. The Tapo C100 supports both cloud storage and local storage via a micro SD card. This flexibility allows users to choose the most convenient and secure method for storing their video recordings. 6. Compatibility with Alexa and Google Home. The Tapo C100 integrates seamlessly with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, allowing you to view live feeds on compatible smart displays with simple voice commands. This adds an extra layer of convenience for smart home enthusiasts. 7. Privacy mode. Privacy is a top priority, and the Tapo C100 addresses this with its privacy mode. You can easily disable video and audio recording when needed, ensuring complete control over your monitoring setup. 8. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi support. Designed to work on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks, the Tapo C100 ensures stable and consistent connectivity. The setup process is quick and intuitive, making it accessible for users of all technical skill levels. High-definition video quality. Affordable price point. Effective motion detection with customizable zones. Two-way audio and built-in siren for enhanced interaction and security. Night vision for round-the-clock monitoring. Flexible storage options, cloud and local. Privacy mode for added security. Easy integration with Alexa and Google Home. Who should buy the Tapo C100? The Tapo C100 is a versatile and budget-friendly indoor security camera that is suitable for a wide range of users, parents. As a baby monitor, it provides reliable video and audio communication, ensuring peace of mind while your baby sleeps. Pet owners. Its two-way audio and motion detection make it ideal for monitoring and interacting with pets when you are away. Homeowners. The Tapo C100 is a reliable choice for general indoor surveillance, offering security and convenience at an affordable price. Smart home enthusiasts, those with Alexa or Google Home devices, will appreciate its seamless integration. Final verdict: the TP-Link Tapo 1080p Indoor Security Camera, Tapo C100, is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an affordable and feature-packed indoor camera. With its high-definition video, night vision, motion detection, and two-way audio, the Tapo C100 punches well above its weight. While it has some limitations, such as the lack of 5 GHz Wi-Fi support, these are minor compared to the camera's overall value and functionality. If you are in the market for a reliable, easy-to-use, and budget-friendly indoor security camera in 2025, the Tapo C100 is a strong contender that will not disappoint. It is a smart investment for safeguarding your loved ones and ensuring peace of mind. Kasa Smart Indoor Pan-Tilt Home Security Camera, EC71. In the modern world, home security and monitoring have become essential for ensuring peace of mind. Whether you are keeping an eye on your pets, monitoring your baby, or securing your home, the Kasa Smart Indoor Pan-Tilt Home Security Camera, EC71, offers a versatile and affordable solution. This 1080p HD camera is packed with features that make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and easy-to-use indoor security device. Let us dive into what makes this camera a standout option in 2025. Key features: 1. 1080p Full HD video quality. The Kasa Smart EC71 provides crisp and clear 1080p video, allowing you to see every detail in your home. Whether it's day or night, the camera delivers excellent visuals, ensuring you do not miss a thing. 2. Pan and tilt functionality. One of the most notable features of the EC71 is its 360-degree pan and tilt capabilities. This allows you to remotely control the camera's field of view through the Kasa Smart app, ensuring you can monitor every corner of the room. The tilt function is especially useful for tracking pets or observing high or low areas within a space. 3. Night vision. Equipped with advanced infrared night vision, the EC71 ensures clear video even in complete darkness. With a range of up to 30 feet, you can monitor your home during nighttime hours with confidence. 4. Motion detection and alerts. The built-in motion detection feature is highly responsive. When the camera detects movement, it sends instant alerts to your smartphone, ensuring you are always aware of activity in your home. You can customize the motion zones to focus on specific areas, reducing unnecessary notifications. 5. Baby and pet monitoring. The EC71 is ideal for parents and pet owners. It offers real-time video monitoring and allows two-way audio communication, making it easy to soothe your baby or talk to your pets when you are away. The audio clarity is impressive, ensuring seamless communication. 6. Storage options. The Kasa Smart EC71 provides flexible storage options, including cloud storage and a micro SD card slot, up to 128 GB. You can choose the storage method that best suits your needs and budget. 7. Smart home integration. This camera seamlessly integrates with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, allowing for voice-controlled functionality. You can view the live feed on compatible smart displays with a simple voice command, enhancing convenience and usability. 8. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi compatibility. The EC71 supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks, ensuring stable and reliable connectivity. The setup process is straightforward and user-friendly, making it accessible even for those new to smart home technology. In addition, this pan/tilt IP camera will see everything across an entire room or walkway with the 360 degrees horizontal and 113 degrees vertical range pan/tilt field of view. Set up on EC71 to monitor each region at intervals of your choosing. Affordable price point. High-quality 1080p video. Pan and tilt functionality for comprehensive coverage. Flexible storage options, cloud and local. Easy integration with Alexa and Google Home. Reliable motion detection with customizable zones. Who is it for? The Kasa Smart Indoor Pan-Tilt Home Security Camera, EC71, is perfect for anyone looking for an affordable and versatile indoor security solution. It is particularly suitable for pet owners who want to check in on their furry friends, parents looking for a reliable baby monitor, homeowners who need an extra layer of security, smart home enthusiasts who value integration with Alexa and Google Home. Final verdict: the Kasa Smart Indoor Pan-Tilt Home Security Camera, EC71, delivers exceptional value for its price. With its impressive features, including 1080p video, pan and tilt functionality, night vision, and smart home compatibility, it is a fantastic choice for modern households. While there are some limitations, such as the lack of 5 GHz Wi-Fi support, these are minor compared to the overall performance and reliability of the camera. Whether you are keeping an eye on your pets, monitoring your baby, or securing your home, the EC71 is a top contender in the indoor security camera market for 2025. If you are in the market for an affordable, feature-packed camera, this device deserves serious consideration.